With a body that could compete with women half her age, glowing skin that looks airbrushed in real life, and the kind of toned arms most people can only dream of, 70-year-old Lisa Thompson has taken over TikTok, and she did it with just 2 words: clock it.
What's up? How old are you? I'm 70. Period. That's right. And then you walk off. Walk off. As you know, walk off.
The moment she said it, the internet went crazy because no one believed a woman who looks that youthful, confident, and sculpted could be 70. This video will dive into the secrets behind Lisa's ageless appearance, from her strict lifestyle choices to her natural beauty routines and the habits she's kept for decades to stay healthy, strong, and unbelievably fit. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how Lisa Thompson maintains a glow and physique that shocks millions, and you'll walk away with practical, simple tips you can start using today. Whether you're fascinated by her viral moment or ready to upgrade your own lifestyle, this is one video you don't want to miss. Meet Lisa Thompson, the 70-year-old grandmother who has made jaws drop and heads spin with questions. Born on June 27, 1955, Lisa's life hasn't always been glamorous, but full of resilience, determination, and love. Recently, her granddaughter posted a simple TikTok video of Lisa moving, laughing, and showing off her fit, beautiful body, and the internet went wild. Comments poured in. People were in awe of her toned physique, energy, and smile that seemed impossible for someone her age. Overnight, Lisa became a symbol of ageless beauty, but her story runs much deeper than viral fame. Growing up, Lisa faced challenges that could have shaped her life in a very different way. Her father struggled with alcoholism, and as a young girl, she witnessed the heartbreak, chaos, and pain it brought into their home.
No, my father was an alcoholic and I did not want to be one, so I never drank.
But instead of letting it define her, Lisa made a promise to herself. She would live differently. She would take control of her life, make choices that nurtured her body and soul, and never let unhealthy habits dictate her future. This early resolve set the tone for a lifetime of intentional living. For 42 years of her life, Lisa tirelessly built a career in hairstyling back in Washington, D.C., where she spent her days nurturing people's hair.
Where the mamas will sit outside and they're making it for you, because it has no preservatives in it. So I always use that.
Ask your grandma. It's possible that Lisa did her hair once. Lisa's career as a hairstylist in Washington, D.C. reflects her dedication and care for others. Her clients weren't just customers. They were people she genuinely cared about, and that compassion became part of who she is. The same discipline and attention she put into her work spilled into her own life, guiding her toward the habits and routines that have kept her fit, healthy, and glowing well into her 70s.
We looking at it this way? Can I just do it like this? No, not at all. You want to go to the hood.
But what truly makes Lisa remarkable is her spirit. The TikTok video captured just a moment, a glimpse of her vitality. But it doesn't fully reveal the warmth, joy, and determination that define her every day. Behind that viral clip is a woman with a lifestyle built on intentional choices, discipline, and habits that have kept her fit, energized, and glowing for decades. Secrets that she's now beginning to share with the world with her granddaughter by her side.
I mean, I really bodybuilt. I didn't, that play stuff, no. And so now I'm working out again with my youngest daughter. And I think you have to do that.
Lisa Thompson doesn't indulge in alcohol, she doesn't smoke, and she skips soda entirely.
Do you smoke or do you drink, or have you ever? I've never smoked, I've never drank. No. My father was an alcoholic and I did not want to be one, so I never drank. She really doesn't drink, she doesn't smoke, she doesn't like being around it.
These aren't random choices. They're lessons learned from her childhood. Growing up with an alcoholic father, Lisa saw firsthand how destructive these habits can be, and she made a conscious decision early on to live differently. When it comes to her diet, she takes an approach that most people these days don't even care about. Lisa doesn't eat meat. Instead, she fills her plate with fish, which provides lean protein without the heaviness of red meat. She balances her meals carefully, emphasizing fresh, wholesome foods like green vegetables that nourish her body rather than weigh it down. One thing about Lisa is that she doesn't play with her water intake. She takes the saying, "water is life," to a whole different level by drinking water constantly throughout the day without fail. And because of that, she can keep her energy levels high, brain unclogged, and body functioning at full speed.
And I drink a lot of water. Yes. How much water do you think you drink?
I just drink all day long.
Exercise is another cornerstone of Lisa's routine. She works out consistently, pushing her strength, flexibility, and stamina in ways many would find impressive at any age. Her workouts are focused on keeping her body strong, toned, and capable. Over the years, this combination of mindful nutrition, regular movement, and avoidance of harmful substances has created a synergy that maintains her lean, sexy, and youthful look, which makes jaws drop, including yours. What's remarkable about Lisa is how effortless she makes it seem. There's no complicated formula, just decades of intentional, health-focused choices that have compounded into a lifestyle producing incredible results. Her toned physique, radiant skin, and vibrant energy are the visible proof of this commitment. By sticking to these habits day after day, Lisa has built a body that's strong, toned, and full of energy. But the secret to her drop-dead gorgeous appearance doesn't end at diet and exercise. There's another layer to her secrets. Behind that viral glow is a completely natural approach to beauty and self-care, routine she's been perfecting for decades. From homemade face masks to skincare rituals passed down through generations, Lisa's natural methods are just as essential to her radiant look as her healthy lifestyle. Her youthful glow isn't just about workouts and diet, it's also about how she cares for her body and mind every single day. Her approach to beauty is unlike the Botox-filled ones. It's natural, simple, and intentional, proving that you don't need expensive creams or treatments to look radiant at 70. One of the non-negotiables in her routine is brushing her teeth with a mixture of baking soda and salt.
I use baking soda and salt to brush my teeth, so I've never had a cavity. In your life? No. So what you just put toothpaste, a little bit of baking soda? Yeah, and then brush my teeth. For a moisturizer for my face, I normally use shea butter.
It might seem weird, but that combination not only keeps her teeth sparkling and clean, but also helps prevent gum problems and maintain oral health without harsh chemicals that do more harm than good. It's a small habit with lasting benefits that contribute to her confident, bright smile. For her skin, she relies on shea butter imported from Ghana. Packed with vitamins A and E, shea butter deeply nourishes and moisturizes the skin, keeping it soft, supple, and glowing. You might think that's all there is to her beautiful skin. But no, there is more. Lisa loves to get innovative by creating her own face masks using turmeric and baking soda. Turmeric is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which help reduce skin redness, even out skin tone, and protect against aging. Baking soda acts as a gentle exfoliant, removing dead skin cells and leaving the skin fresh and radiant. These natural remedies work together to maintain her youthful appearance while being completely chemical-free. But Lisa's beauty isn't just skin deep. She believes that staying happy is the real anti-aging secret. Avoiding negativity and anything that makes her unhappy is part of her life mantra. Maintaining a positive mindset reduces stress, supports heart and immune health, and even helps the body repair itself more effectively. For Lisa, radiant skin, a fit body, and boundless energy are all connected to a joyful, balanced life. You might have noticed that Lisa's hair is just as gorgeous as every other part of her, and she has her minimal effort to thank for that. Unlike most people who do anything just for their hair to grow and shine, Lisa believes in not doing too much so that her hair can thrive and look as healthy as it does. This is her secret. Her natural beauty routines and wellness mindset work hand in hand, creating the effortless glow and vitality that captured millions of hearts online. It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling good from the inside out. Lisa's story shows that aging gracefully isn't a mystery. It's a combination of mindful skincare, healthy habits, and emotional balance that nourishes both body and soul. Sparkling teeth, supple skin, reduced inflammation, and a joyful mindset are proof that age can be defied when health, happiness, and self-care come first. Something that you shouldn't take lightly is her mindset. Lisa prioritizes happiness over negativity and focuses on what brings her joy. She surrounds herself with family, 11 grandchildren, and 5 great-grandchildren, finding energy, love, and purpose in those relationships. So make sure to keep unnecessary drama away from your life and mind the business that pays you. Staying fit, vibrant, and full of energy at 70 might sound far-fetched, but Lisa Thompson makes it look like a piece of cake. Her secret isn't a miracle pill or countless surgeries. It's decades of consistent choices. From avoiding alcohol, smoking, and soda, to following a fish-based diet, drinking plenty of water, exercising regularly, and embracing natural beauty routines, Lisa shows that intentional habits truly pay off over time.
You need to look over your shoulder. Look over your shoulder on this next one.
I'm looking at that.
For some folks, aging is one hell of a ride, and for others, it's like a walk in the park. It's up to you to choose one.